Igbo. Igwe bụ ike. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo. Igwe bụ ike. Igbo ọma mmanụ. Unu si ike n'ala. My capacity mayor, my senior colleague both in politics and banking, my D mayor, my brother, and my management and my junior colleague. Okay. And the president, Sisi Obuano, Deo. Let me stand on the existing protocol of our time. Because when I do a Chinese break, there was I didn't happy in our corner. But I'm trying to be protocol because the time only that I use the video on our 12 on our way for this Saturday, ratio of finance. What you bring here? Who will live there? Slow down. All the great of the night Igwe Ike. Open and Atomo, I'm so happy about it. Igwe Ike. I'm actually one on a platform. Ndị Igbo kwesịrị iji tọkata ọnụ mee ya bụ statement n'ihe niile ha na-eme. So ọhaneze abụghị ebe a na-akpọ obi. Ọhaneze abụghị ebe a na-asị ịbụ onye arịa, ịbụ onye obodo, ịbụ onye ibere. Ọhaneze bụ otu. So ụnụ nọrọ n'otu, ọ nweghị ihe a ga-emenwu achieve. I'm happy mgbe m na-eme interact with my senior elder. They happy that one of the strongest Ọhaneze people. And for nobody getting behind you people, over here, well, Matia, I'm a man of Ọhaneze, and when I want convention meeting Enugu, where senior Mata event, the governor, see from other state, I got represent the other state. They equal from my side, get a make sure that Bobo Gazon. One of my job also to Corona. Heaven after baby and me and the mega. So, naked and not any our former deputy mayor. Who want them working my cousin, Ekelele. Ukwa Achahi Beko, and other people down here. And we are more to go Kamayana Sono, Ono, man by the values, the visions, the missions of Ọhaneze people. Ukwa Mama.
Thank you.